Okay, so it's been a few months. We recently did Andy Roy, a professional skateboarder's teeth. He got the full mouth procedure. Oh boy, you've probably seen the transformation already. So it's been a few months. Going to call Andy now on FaceTime and try to connect with him and see how life's been. So let's see if I can get him. There we go.
What's up, dude?
Andy!
How you doing?
What's up, man?
I'm just kicking it.
Dude, look at those pearly whites.
I know. I'm just getting ready to make some food after this.
Damn. So how's it been? How long has it been now? A few months.
Yeah, man. Everything's, dude, I've already gained like 11 pounds. Like, dude, just eating whatever I want. Dude,
Awesome.
They're amazing.
Wow, you're talking great.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so awesome, dude. It's unbelievable.
So you gained 11 pounds. What kind of reaction are you getting from, people just all over the place?
Dude, everyone's just all, dude, people are just like on the street, just like, hey, your teeth look amazing. Like, everybody's, I get hit up like 10 times a day. Everyone's just like, dude, your teeth look so good.
Yeah.
Like, people are tripping out in a good way. It's amazing.
It's funny because I spoke to you a few times. I think this is the first face-to-face since you had it done. But
Yeah.
It's amazing that it looks like you just got so used to them so quick.
Yeah. Dude, they feel like they're your own teeth.
Yeah.
Like, for real. Like, dude, it's perfect.
Wow.
Like, you've done a better job.
Yeah, no, you look phenomenal, dude.
Yeah, Golpa, he's awesome. He's amazing. He's my favorite dude.
That team, that lab, that stuff, I mean,
Yeah.
I think the craziest thing that people don't realize, because when you do this kind of stuff, they go, yeah, right, one day. Like, it's all done in a day. It's not like, people don't believe it. But was that weird, like, in hindsight, how quick it went?
Yeah, man, like, you just, like, you don't realize it until, like, you get the surgery, then you got these, like, rods coming out your mouth, and then you go the next morning, and they're waiting for me, and it's proof right there.
Yeah.
It happened within 24 hours. I have my teeth. I tell everyone, like,
Did you, after your procedure, did you have any type of pain or?
No, it wasn't even that bad at all, man. Like, my face was a little small, but that's just because of the surgery.
Yeah.
But, like, dude, it wasn't even painful at all. Like, dude, it was the easiest surgery. Like, it went so good.
I always tell everybody, I say, if you had a toothache, it's easier than that.
Oh, for sure.
Like-
By far.
Yeah.
100%.
So you're getting a lot more attention now. I even said to you when you first had it done, I said, dude, you're a professional skateboarder, but I think you're going to be doing a lot more hosting gigs, TV show gigs. I see it now. I mean, especially with those teeth.
Yeah.
Dude.
That's going to happen for sure.
Yeah.
I'm going to get my SAC card, and I bet you I'll get a bunch of work from it.
Oh, God, yeah, dude. And you got the personality. You're a really nice guy, too.
Thank you very much.
Listen, I am super happy for you. We definitely have to meet face to face, but you couldn't. I mean, geez, you are probably the most extreme transformation I've seen, and I've been doing this now for about a year, and I had my procedure 3 years. So we had to touch base with you and connect because everybody is commenting about your transformation, and I'm very happy that you're doing so well. You look awesome. Very proud of you. Just keep kicking ass, man.
Sure. G4 rules, man. And like I said, I get hit up like 20 times a day,
Yeah.
man. Everyone, like, blown away. Like, people I'd never, like, strangers or just fans of mine, whatever, just, like, just yelling stuff. Like, dude, your teeth look amazing.
Yeah. Well, hey, listen. Carlos from the office said to me many times, we believe the proof is in the patient. There's really no better proof than you.
Tell Carlos I said hello.
I will.
The whole staff, everyone, everybody, man, from the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me. Like, you changed my life. I just saw my mom for the first time yesterday, and she was blown away.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, you look so, like, 20 years younger. Like, that's what a lot of people have been saying, how much younger I look.
She got her baby boy back.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's awesome. I love stories like that. My hair's standing up. I love that.
Yeah. Oh, man.
That's good stuff, man. Well, listen, a pleasure. Keep enjoying the hell out of those, and we're going to hang out soon.
Okay, I can't wait.
All right, brother. See you soon, brother. Love you. Bye. Oh, God, I love him. He's doing so good. That is exactly the kind of transformation that you just go, this is why this is the best thing in dentistry today. I mean, there's no better proof. And like Dr. Golpa and the team always says, the proof is in the patient. And every time I do one of these calls, it just reassures that fact. Can't wait to do another one.